Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha, and today is Transfer Tuesday. So this was something that was started by Penny's Not Perfection, where she transferred a certain amount of money towards her financial goals, whether that was paying off debt, investing, saving. So we have jumped on board to put aside money every single Tuesday into something, whether it's going to be investing in our Robinhood account to our dividend paying stocks, or it's going to be putting money towards debt, or if it's going to be just transferring money to the emergency fund. So now I received $30 from a gift through Facebook Messenger. Someone sent me $30 and I was just so surprised and excited. I didn't even know you could send money through Facebook until it happened to me a few days ago. Then I received a refund from EasyPass finally. So that was a little over $30. So we're going to put that money towards my student loans today. And also we budgeted to put $63, I believe, towards my student loan. So all of that information is going to be on the screen. I'm going to share with you exactly, walk through it, because I think it's more fun to do it this way. And also we're going to put $20 towards our Qualcomm investment in Robinhood. So we are building up our dividend portfolio as much as possible. We have $20 in our buffer from our account, and so my husband and I agreed that $20 was okay to put towards that, because the bulk of the money is still going towards debt, so we can decrease our liabilities and increase our assets. So stay tuned for today's Transfer Tuesday, you guys. It will not be very long. Right, we have 0.049 shares worth of Qualcomm. We are going to transfer $20 into our brokerage account so we can purchase additional shares, or fractional shares. So I'll click here, and this has a 69% buy. So we are investing 20. So that's an estimated 0.148975 shares. We'll do it. You order, you do not have enough buying power. So we're going to deposit funds from our 360 account, $20, deposit funds. And now we have $20 worth of buying power available. So review order. Good, purchased, done. All right, and then I had a $30.67 refund from EasyPass. So we're going to use that $30.67 to pay towards debt today. I also had on April 9th, $30 sent to me via Facebook Messenger. So all in all, in total, we're putting $123.67 towards debt today. The payment started with a balance of $8,748 before today's payment. 1, 2, 3, 7. Tuesday, April 20th. 100% of this is going towards loan 825. Let's make that payment. Time. Success. The payment was made. Now after this payment, we're wearing it down, y'all. We're wearing it down. I'm so excited. We're getting closer and closer to under 2K. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for participating in Transfer Tuesdays. Let us know down in the comments what transfer you did today, paying off debt, paying mortgage, whatever it is, saving up for your down payment on your house. We want to encourage you, and remember to stay consistent, mind your money, manage it well, and live your life to its fullest. Bye for now.